brought the house dominance and remote 2025 with their stunning duet performance of Skyfall. The stage was alive as the two powerhouse vocalists deliver a powerful and emotional rendition of at least iconic song. Their harmonies was flawless, showcasing their incredible vocal range and chemistry. Georgia rich, soulful voice and Alaska soaring high notes blended perfectly together. The audience was in awe, and the judges gave them a standing ovation for their flawless performance. It's clear that both artists have truly redefined this classic, adding their own magic to it. Their interpretation of Skyfall is definitely one of